Here I have LG G7 Fit, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. So here you can switch modes for like priority only or total silence. You can also select priorities, like you can add notifications, calls, messages to priorities. You can also set up a schedule for it here, like you can adjust days, start time, end time, mode, and yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.